Hello everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay again. And this will be video number 7 of our video series Building Employee Management System using ChatGPT and ASP.NET Core. Right. So in this video, we will be looking into edit screen. Right. Now before we move to edit screen, few things that I missed to show in the previous video, create employee video. So let's go over it. So I am on a create screen now. Now let me go to employee manage employee screen over here. Let's go to create new, and it should land us on the create form. Create new. Okay. Now if I go ahead and press save button directly, see, then all the validation are in place actually very nicely. I missed to showcase you this. Now let's say I'll say 1 2 3 4, and I'll say 1 2 3 5. Then it also says pay and confirm pin and confirm pin should match, right? So validations are working all good, right? Another thing is, let me go to employee again, and let me go to create screen. Let's go to developer window, and if I go ahead and see, this is a medium and large view where we have controls span over the two columns area, right? If I go to mobile view, you know then let's see, the controls are span within one column area only, and they are very nicely aligned, nicely separated with each other. Very good, very nicely out, right? So chat gpt actually has taken care of everything, right? So writing a good prompt is key over here, right? So let me go back to the let me go out of this developer window. And one more thing I would like to add it over here is, let me log out. I missed to let's try to log in with some of the one of the user that we created. So let's say Akash Chopra. We have, okay, number didn't come. Good, validation is working over here also. So I'll first put out some wrong password, let's say. So it denied. So 1 2 3 4, let me give it 1 2 3 4, and the login work. And remember, we created two employees, Akash Chopra and Ajit Agarkar. Both are employee only. So we don't see menu for leave where we have employee leave and my leave section, and we don't see menu for master data also. So the navigation is also working quite nicely. Now let me log out again, and let's try to log in with Ajit Agarkar. Right, we'll do the same thing. This time I am directly entering correct password only. Right, so no, look out this, it is working good. So let me log out, let me close this, and now let's concentrate on the edit functionality. So let's go to chat gpt now, right? So let me bring this it over here, and let me bring, this time we will be instructing in a shorter way, because we already gave context to chat gpt that what we need in create screen. And I am expecting that now ChatGPT knows what we are building and what is the expectation, my expectation. So let me copy paste the prompt over here, which is quite short, and let's see how does ChatGPT respond to this. Right. So I am just saying, let's work on employee edit screen now. Keeping create in mind, can you please help me with edit screen now? For edit, image should be optional. If uploaded, take the new one. If not, keep existing. And also display existing image on edit screen, I would say on edit screen when loaded, right? Because existing detail needs to be displayed. And please guide me step by step, creating required view model, controller, code, razor view, using similar design that we created for the create screen. And I would also like to mention that again, to save time, I have all created the edit screen edit controller get method and the link in the shared layout page. So let me quickly show you that. So I have logged in as a admin. If I go to employee screen, so let's try to go over action, and let's say try to edit. Right. So I have blank edit screen already with me, and I have also added link to this button. So let me show you that. Let me quickly show that code. Nothing, I just added, over here the we have I think done this before only. ASP action as edit, and we are passing the ID over there. And I hope we are passing the ID. Let me see it again. Edit. Okay, we are passing it as right. Okay. The only thing, these were not the edit screen and edit controller get method were not existing earlier, so that's why it was not working. Right. So this is one thing. So I have kept few things ready with me. So now let's go back to, now let me stop this and go back to chat GPT, and I think this should be enough. Let me push this prompt and let's see what happens. Yeah. So let's observe the, it is still generating the response, but let's observe the first VM employee edit. Here it, here it should have marked first thing that image as optional. So yeah, it is question mark over here, right? But it made few mistakes over here. For example, this payroll type, this is not integer actually. We are using string only, right? Then the similar way there should be ID submitted. Where is that ID submitted? Yeah, okay, that is string. Okay, so surprisingly, it took this as a string because these two are dropped down. So it took this as string and this one as integer. Ideally, this should be string only. So let me copy this and let's start building. So I am in this. So let me go to, I'm in VM edit. So first we are preparing the model. Okay, and let me see if it did not give the required namespace, using the namespace. So let me just go to, let me correct them basically. Yeah, so first one is, this is done, right? Let me see if there is any error. Okay, for this we need MVC rendering. Okay, so that is also done, and we'll have to mark this optional again, otherwise it will create a problem like create screen. And let me correct that payroll type, this should be string, not integer. So let me remove this also. And otherwise, let's take a quick look. So this is required, this is good, this is required, this is a regular expression. Okay, this is good. And okay, so it removed pin from here. That is good actually, because we will not we might have a separate screen to change the password. So it removed pin. So that one thing is good, because we will be updating apart from, apart from the pin fields. That's what it has given us. Yeah, so it has taken current image also. So okay, so I think this looks good. Now let's move to the next step. Now it said in the edit method, get edit method, do this. So let's say copy, we'll go over here, we'll go to employee controller, and we'll replace this with this. Now okay, so what we are doing over here, we are taking the employee. Okay, it is taking ID. If it founds, then it is coming up with a list and everything. Image URL, current image is equal to employee image URL. That's okay, that will be the name of the URL. Okay, so this is okay. Now let's post method, let's concentrate on post method later on. Let's concentrate on the on this part, designing the HTML, because post method will do it at the end. So now let me go to the edit screen and let me put down code over here. So okay, so it seems it did not provided all the code, and it just said that okay, same field as create. Okay, so now probably, okay, let me instruct it. Can you can you please provide please provide full edit view code. Let's say if it gives us. So it is generating. Let's say, let's wait. So okay, it seems it has generated the entire code. Now let me use this. I'll say copy from here, I'll come to Visual Studio, and I'll paste it over here. Okay, did I miss anything? No. Okay, let me save these. Edit employee. So I hope it has generated the good amount of code and everything is in place. Okay, so let's run this at this moment. Forget, we are not taking the post method into the consideration now. Let's see if the selected employee is first getting loaded or not. So let's run this and see. So we had couple of error. First one was, we had to correct this namespace. Second one was, it says current image name, but in the property, if we see over here, it was current image URL. Right, so let me make it, say, either way around, either you correct here or there, that's fine. Okay, save. Now, is there any similar error? Okay, so reporting to list. Okay, so what do we have over here? It just employee list, it's not the reporting tool. See how it changes name. It forgets what was provided in the previous prompt. So this has to be current image URL, current image URL, and this again current image URL. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, so we don't see any error now. So let me try again running. Okay, so now it ran no with no error. So let me go to employee create screen and let's try to edit Ajit Agarkar's record. I'll say edit. Let's say if Ajit Agarkar's record loads up or not. Okay, great. So it loads up. So we have everything with salary, daily wage, good, PAN card, good, 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 good. Everything looks good, but this profile image did not come up. So let's see what is wrong over here. Let's say we'll pick this. Let's say from where it is trying to pick. Oh, it is trying to pick from upload. So probably this is my mistake. Let's say I have not seen it. If I go to employee controller and where do we have the current image? Full name reporting current image is equal to image URL. Okay, now if I go to view, so we are taking only the image name over here. That is good. But let's say if we have added something over here. Yeah, okay. So this should be IMG slash emp. That's it. This is the one. Do we have anything else? No. So let me just save this and let's go to the page and let's see if loads up. Otherwise we might have to run it from the beginning, or maybe there, no, it is loading up. Okay. Oh, there you go. We have the image now. So data are loading fine. Now the next step, let's work on the post operation. And let me see, if it has, if this one has, uh validation. Oh, okay, validation is also there. Great, great. So let me cancel this. So it cancel is taking me over here. Now let's work on the post operation. So I'll go here. We already have this data loading. So next is to take, copy paste this post operation, and let me paste it over here. So let's first try to quickly go over the code whether it is correct or not. Okay, so it is submitting the model. If not, then okay, we have marked this optional, so that should be fine. And then it is finding employee. Okay, it is taking existing employee. Okay, then if file was uploaded or not, it is checking. If uploaded, then it is taking. Okay, this is again img slash emp, and the unique file name, not upload. This is plus combined path img slash emp. Now image, well, actually this is not required over here. img slash emp. So let me quickly go check what do we have on the create screen. We'll do similar to that. So here, yeah, when combined it is img emp. When combined is img emp. Yeah, okay, combine img emp. So that's what we have. Okay, so if we upload, then it should copy, and it should actually delete existing also. I don't see the code to delete current image url. It says okay, let's see. Let's forget about this, and let's see. The code looks good. We'll debug once and let's try to run this and we'll see what is happening. Okay, so I am on employee list page. Let's try to edit Ajit Agarkar record. So if I edit this, okay, everything seems to be loaded correctly. Ajit Agarkar, let me keep the number same, the email same. Mumbai, Maharashtra. Let me add some random, pin code over here. And then daily wage. Okay, let me modify this to 50. Let me change the number also. No, changing number should not be there actually, because it's a we have used it as a login, so ideally this should be read only. Let's see, other details can be changed. Let's say Ajit Agarkar, and let me just give me anything so that we know we are changing. This way we made 50. Reporting to Ganguly. Let's make it reported to Rahul Dravid. PAN card instead of, let's make it to election card. And a role is employee. Okay, existing image is this. So let me browse and add a new image. Let make him Bhaji. Okay, so let me press update over here and let's see what is happening over here. So we are into the edit post method now. Let's move on and let's see if this state. Okay, so state seems to be valid. That is good. Now, let me take a note of image name. We had image name of Ajit Agarkar starting with. Okay, wait over here. Yeah, starting with 06 and ending with 0c7.png. So let's run this blindly and let's see what is happening. Okay, so it got updated. Great. Ajit Agarkar. Okay, Ajit Agarkar bowler. It says yeah. Rahul Dravid. Exactly true. Daily wage 850. This is good. This is good. This is also good. Okay, and the image also changed to Harbhajan's image. Okay, this is great. Now but let's see, it deleted the previous image or not, because I couldn't see the code for delete. Let me right click and open in the folder. So let me bring that over here. Let me go to here. Okay, so I okay, let me sort by, I think I saw the cursor image. Not saw, but view by, small icon. Oh no, view by medium icons. Okay, so over here it did not deleted Ajit Agarkar's image in case it was a new image was uploaded. So let's instruct it. Let's instruct that you missed. Okay, so in case new image is uploaded, the existing image file should be deleted. Let's see what does it comes up with. So it is generating the code. Let's wait. Okay, so let's here. So it generated code that says, first delete the image if exists and then the save image. So let me copy this. I'll come here. I'll stop this and I am into the edit, and over here actually I'll copy this piece of code. And so here what we are doing, we are here actually it's EMP, and instead of current name it should be URL. Why it is not coming? What's the problem over here? No suggestion. Okay, is null or empty? Delete existing image. Yeah, we are bringing the current image. We are bringing the, no, ideally it should be image URL only, yeah, because this is the record we are bringing from the database. So there it will be image URL, and here it will be EMP again, and it will be image URL only. See how it changes names. It's quite surprisingly. So if it is existing, it is deleting. If it is not existing, then again this should be img and slash emp. We'll have to specify the path. Right. So let's try to run this and let's see what happen. What? So let me go to manage employee screen. We'll now we have Harbhajan image. So we'll make it back the Ajit Agarkar's image, right? But before that, let me delete Ajit Agarkar's image from their existing image. So let me delete this. I hope it will allow me. Yeah, okay, it did. Right. So we have 5 employee, 5 images we have. Now let me edit this. Okay, great. Now I'll keep everything same because it is already working. We'll just change the image. So I'll take Ajit Agarkar image. I'll say update. Okay, I think I had debugger over here. Let me remove the debugger breakpoint basically, and let's move ahead. And let's see. Okay, so image got changed, right? Data is getting updated, and let's see what it did in the over here, right? So yeah, so this time it deleted Harbhajan's image, right? Ajit Agarkar image is as it is, right? So this is working pretty fine. So edit functionality is also working great, right? Now let me see if we can improve something over here. Edit. Okay, I think this is working. This is working. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's mark this mobile number as read only. So if I go to edit screen, but that will if I mark it read only, then that will create a problem because in posting we will not get it. So let's keep it as it as of now. Mhm. Rest everything looks good. Okay, let's check the mobile view also. Let's see if that is good. Okay, so this looks good. This one looks good. Okay, okay, I think this one looks good. Menus are there. Okay, this is good. This is good. Okay, so I'll let this remove. And yeah, I think this is good. Let me try to make it the original record. Ajit Agarkar, let this be 850. Let this be changed to something 24. Let me make it daily wage only. Let me make this 900 actually. Election card, I'll make driving license. Employee is good. Rahul, let's shift it to Ganguly again. And this time I'm not uploading image. Let's say. Okay, it got updated. It is over here. Let's say this is 900. This is Ajit Karkar reporting to Saurav Ganguly. This is good. This is 900. Maharashtra, this is made 24. Yeah. Okay. So edit functionality is working fine. Right. So I hope you like this video. We did not do much. Everything we got generated from ChatGPT only, and we are using. But as I said, you had to know the fundamentals of whatever programming language you are building in. And if you know that, then you will be able to instruct ChatGPT in a correct way, and then you will have the desired output in one or two attempt only, right? Because ChatGPT also try to understand you, as I said. And the more you spend time with ChatGPT, the more it will be, the more the responses of ChatGPT will be more close to your expectation, right? That's what the bottom line is, right? So in the next video we will be working on the delete functionality. So till then, goodbye, and thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.